My name is Peter Robertson. I'm the founder and entrepreneur of RP's Pasta Company, and I'm here at Edible Startup. And how awesome is the Edible Startup Summit? Well, let me tell you, it's where you can get all the information you need to start a business, expand your business, grow your business, learn how to finance it, learn about the food safety, all within Wisconsin, all with a support network of Wisconsin. Wonderful speakers. It's probably the most wonderful single source place you can come to learn everything you need. So I don't know what else I can say. You just have to come.
My name is Laurel Burleson. I have the Ugly Apple Cafe, and the Edible Startup Summit is really awesome. There's tons of people here with tons of great advice. I think even if you're starting a business, thinking about it, I've been in business 2 years, and I think there's something for everybody, so it's totally awesome.
Kamal Strickland is my name. I'm with Supercharged Foods, and the Edible Startup Summit is awesome. Lots of great entrepreneurs, lots of great businesses, great classes, opportunities to learn and network.
Hi, I'm Sharon Lesberg with Dane County UW Extension, and I want to tell you about Edible Startup Summit. This is an event that we put on every year to get food business entrepreneurs talking to one another, talking with the experts, and launching their business. So come to the Edible Startup Summit and jumpstart your business.